And just like that, we're back again with another update on Kronos. Happy Monday, wherever you are around the world. Your guys' support has been insane. Again, you guys know the drill. Continue supporting, and these daily updates will be delivered no matter what. So, looking across the board, Monday is starting off on a really, really positive note, but Kronos is down 2.6%. And I know a lot of you are going to be like, why is it not just continuing to pump up? We want to just continuation up, pump. But again, guys, I wish that's how the market worked. Sometimes, projects that all do have, major moves, they do consolidate a little bit, and the broader market, when it rebounds, these projects might see a little bit of a minor lag. And we're seeing that right now with Kronos. But with that being said, focus on this. Last 30 days, last 14 days. I know a lot of you have already forgotten about this, but your boy Crypto ZX is here to remind you guys to not overlook that. But price is currently hovering at about 25.7 cents as of recording this, up to down about 3% in Bitcoin, USD, and Ethereum comparative. Valuation 8.6 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about 70 million. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as far as the dominance index is concerned, we actually came down to 58.3%, retesting September 4th lows, but we are picking up. As you can see, as of now, we are picking up, which again is something we want to keep in mind. But on that note, we need to understand that it has been in this downward trajectory over the course of the last 4 days. But with that being said, Bitcoin, as of recording this update, is on the move towards the upside. We're currently sitting at 111,600. Maybe at the time of you watching this update, we might retest 112 if this is able to break out. I'm anticipating, I did mention this in my HBAR and Dogecoin update, 113,000 today. If this is able to close around this range, I'm personally thinking that this could potentially be a move for us to retest the 115,000 confirmation, which is something we haven't seen since August 24th. So that would be quite something. But this is a major week. Obviously, we need to keep those things in mind. But Bitcoin, as of recording this update, looking good as of now. Upward trajectory still in play. But we're still not at our confirmation, but we got to give credit where it belongs, of course. But if you're looking at the price of Kronos right now, you can see this for yourself. We're being supported by 2021 levels. You can see this for yourself. So we need to keep this in mind. Obviously, if we don't hold that support, which is around, you could say 25 cents, we're very close to that. Maybe we do retest the neckline of the 78.6, which is a significant support line in my opinion, which was our major resistance, which ended this bear market cycle, which I've talked to you guys about on the channel before. But if you're looking at the price of Kronos right now, that support that I just told you about at 25 cents, we retested that on September the 2nd. And as of now, we are literally about only 4% away for us to maybe retest that. I do expect a bounce because, of course, Bitcoin is pushing towards the upside. So I'm anticipating, Kronos, even though it's down right now, I am anticipating for it to push up to the likes of 27 cents. Maybe, start heading up to, our major confirmation, which is at the 31 cents. Keep a very close eye on Bitcoin. Yes, we're seeing a little bit of a lag, but we need to understand people that made major profits off of this are actually scaling out maybe to other altcoins as well. That's also one thing a lot of people tend to forget. And obviously, market makers coming in, because if you're going to be expecting a project that has pumped up this much now, that it's kind of it's definitely finding a ground for itself, not kind of, it is finding a ground for itself. You would think that, when the price of Bitcoin were to push towards the upside, the broader market were to push towards the upside, you would expect this to push. And I still do believe if Bitcoin is able to retest some of those key levels I've mentioned, I'm very confident Kronos pushes up as well. But in the immediate term, you are seeing the bears trying their best to keep the price below these levels. But so far, so good. Like what I'm seeing here, pay very close attention to Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin sees another fake out, let's say we go down to 109,000 again, as of now, that's something I want you guys to be aware of. That could still potentially end up happening. because let's face it, time in, time out, we've seen major moves for Bitcoin, but seen major swings as well at the same time. If that happens, without a doubt, I am thinking that we do see Kronos retesting the neckline of the 78.6, which is a major support. That is a 7% move, so quite a significant pullback for Kronos. But right now, if Bitcoin is able to push, I think, even though we're seeing a lag right now, I'm anticipating Kronos to start moving as well. So we'll see what happens in the next few hours to come. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? I think the next wave is going to happen regardless. Might not happen in the next, few hours or a day or so. But if Bitcoin is able to push, I think we do see, Kronos reacting in a positive way, because I know a lot of people have already forgotten. Let's just give you guys a continuous reminder from August 1st. Where's August 1st here on the daily time frame? I got to see it like this. From August 1st, to anyone that wants to know, this thing is up 95.5% after having a retracement still. So we got to keep those factors in mind. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for all your support, and peace out.